GPT-4o is here and it is turning the AI world upside down. Imagine an AI that can see, talk, and respond just like a human with real emotions. It's not just about understanding text anymore. GPT-4o can analyze images, videos, and audio, doing things we once thought only humans could do. Here's an example showing its great teaching capabilities.
Hello there. I'm here with my son, and I'd love you to tutor him on this math problem. But don't give him the answer. You can ask questions and nudge him in the right direction, but I really want to make sure he understands it himself. And he's here in the room, so you can talk to him directly.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
All right, so I'm pretty sure this is the angle alpha right here, right?
Perfect. That's correct. Now, looking at the triangle, which side do you think is the hypotenuse?
Really,
The hypotenuse?
I'm not totally sure. I think it might be this one, but I really am not sure. This side AC.
You're close. Actually, side AC is called the adjacent side to the angle alpha. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle and is directly opposite the right angle. Can you find which one is the hypotenuse?
Oh, okay, I see. So, I think the hypotenuse is this really long side from A to B. Would that be correct?
Exactly. Well done. Now that you've identified the hypotenuse, can you identify which side is the opposite side to angle alpha?
Okay, well, I mean, you told me earlier that this was the adjacent side, and I know that's the hypotenuse, so I'm guessing that this side, BC, is the opposite side.
Great deduction. That's absolutely correct. Now that you've identified all the sides relative to angle alpha, do you remember the formula for finding the sine of an angle in a right triangle?
Yeah, I know that the sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse.
Perfect. That's absolutely right. Now, can you apply that formula to find sine alpha in the triangle using the lengths of the sides that we've identified?
Okay, so, I mean, you told me that 7, this side BC, is the opposite side. And then you said that the hypotenuse is the longest side, so that would be this side AB, which is 25. So would the answer be 7 over 25?
Excellent work. That's correct. Sine alpha equals 7 over 25. You did a great job identifying the sides and using the sine formula. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Now, if you want to see all of its mind-blowing capabilities, you can visit the official OpenAI website. And guess what? You can dive into this groundbreaking technology completely for free with unlimited prompts. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how you can start using GPT-4o in both desktop and smartphone right now completely for free. I am Krishna Raghavendran and today I am going to show you how you can start using GPT-4o completely for free on both your desktop and smartphone. Firstly, head over to chat.openai.com and log in or sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt where you can access GPT-4o. It might say you have limited access, but don't worry, I'll show you how you can get unlimited access later. For now, click on Try It Now and voila, you have access to GPT-4o. Let's test it out by asking, are you GPT-4o? Even though it responds as GPT-4, you'll see here that the model in use is indeed GPT-4o. As you know, GPT-4o is multimodel, meaning that it can handle images, videos, and audio inputs, not just text. To try this, click on this button and upload your file, which can be an image, video, or audio. I have uploaded an image of a robot holding a subscribe button. Let's ask it to write a short poem about this image, and there you go. Now follow this poem by smashing that subscribe button. Now you might be wondering how you can get unlimited access for GPT-4o. Normally you get around 10 prompts free for 5 hours. But here's the trick. We are going to be using Microsoft Copilot AI, which runs on GPT-4o. A few days ago, Microsoft made an announcement that Copilot AI is going to run on GPT-4o. This Copilot AI can record whatever you were doing in your computer and can also help you to recall what you did. You can also search your history like this. You can also generate beautiful images using this AI just by sketching it roughly, and it will convert it into a beautiful art piece. You can also live translate anything to any language. You can translate meetings, you can also translate videos, and this all happens live. Using this AI, you can analyze images, videos, data, documents using GPT-4o. And the good news is Copilot AI is completely free and you get unlimited usage. You can actually start using it right now. In your taskbar, you'll see this Copilot icon. If you don't see it, you can try updating. But if it still doesn't work, don't worry because I'll tell you other alternatives later. Now once you click on the Copilot icon, you'll see this window here where you can access GPT-4o. You can upload and analyze images and even edit photos using Copilot AI. You can also share your screen like this so that it will assist you in whatever task you are doing in your computer. This AI can also talk with emotions just like GPT-4o. Now if you don't have access to this yet, you can use third-party websites that run on GPT-4o model. One such website is Pop AI, where you can get a few GPT-4o prompts for free. Another great option is anakin.ai, where you get 300 free credits, which is more than enough to explore GPT-4o. So by using all these tools together and Microsoft Copilot, you can essentially enjoy unlimited prompts in GPT-4 completely for free. You can rotate between them to maximize your usage and get the most out of GPT-4o. Now let's talk about accessing GPT-4o on your smartphone for free. You can actually talk to the AI and it will respond with human-like emotions. First go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for GPT-4o. Install the official ChatGPT app and log in to get access to GPT-4o.
Hi there. I just want to
If
share
you
how
don't see this option, no worries because you can use third-party apps instead. For unlimited access on your mobile phone, again you can use Copilot app, which is again on the Play Store or App Store, or you can check out these third-party apps in the Play Store. But what if I told you that there are even better free AI tools out there that can generate anything from videos to entire apps and websites? These secret tools leave ChatGPT 4o in the dust and nobody knows about them yet. If you want to learn about these cutting edge AI tools, you have to watch this video over here.